Hello everyone, I am honored to present our study titled Categorizing False Information in News Content Using an Ensemble Machine Learning Model. My name is Oleksandra Dypko, and I would like to acknowledge the contributions of my co-author Nataliya Boyko. Nowadays, we all face the problem of fake news. So in this study, we examine an ensemble machine learning model's performance in identifying false information in news content. You can see the process of fake news detection. The first step is to retrieve all news. Then the initial transformation begins with the pre-processing stages in which we verify data for classification, and these data are presented in vector form. Two data sets are formed, train and test, and finally, machine learning techniques are applied to the training kit and test kit to determine whether a news is a fake or not. The final decision is provided by the ensemble method. 5 distinct machine learning methods are used in this study that were combined in the ensemble model to improve the precision and reliability of the classification results. So we choose the following classifiers: naive Bayes classifier, support vector machine, logistic regression, random forest, and then ensemble method weighting. About naive Bayes classifier, it produces probabilities of the message to be fake or not based on the Bayes theorem formula, and the formula's components are calculated based on the frequencies of the words in the whole set of news. Support vector machine is used when information has totally two classes: an SVM classifier information by finding the ideal hyperline that isolates all information purposes of one class from another. Logistic regression is a clear equation for categorizing tasks that involve two or more classes. In order to produce better forecasting outcomes, random forest classifier builds a forest out of a collection of decision tree models. And weighting is a model that can make more accurate predictions. It is created using an ensemble technique which combines the predictions of two or more classifiers. The following step of fake news detection is data preprocessing. Firstly, we remove punctuation, special characters, as they don't have a deep meaning in the news. They then convert all the uppercase words into lowercase words for the classifier models understand that, for example, the word text in uppercase and text in lowercase are the same words. Next step is splitting each word in the sentence into a separate word. The result is a list of tokenized words without punctuation and in lowercase. After this, we should delete stop words. Stop words is a set of common words in the language, such as articles a, the, and the words is, are, and so on. And the final stage is stemming, that identifies the common root form of the word by removing or replacing word suffixes. So we did the experiments with our classifiers, and as a result you can see a comparative analysis. A comparative analysis was performed on 5 metrics. There are precision, recall, F1 score, accuracy, and log loss. Hard voting classifiers achieved 95% accuracy, 1.8% logarithmic loss, 95% F1 score. So weighting classifier achieved an accuracy of almost 96%. From these indicators, it can be seen that the soft weighting method works better for the tasks set in this study. In conclusion, I want to add that the model was combined the results of 5 different algorithms, including naive Bayes, support vector machine, logistic regression, random forest, and it was combined in a weighting ensemble method in order to improve the precision and robustness of the classification outcomes. The proposed ensemble approach can improve the accuracy and robustness of the classification results. The effectiveness of the suggested model in a practical setting could be investigated in more detail, as well as the use of other ensemble techniques. Thank you for your attention.